Tired of guessing how well your business is really doing? Ever wished you had a crystal clear, real-time snapshot of your profit margins right there on your banking app? Face with Monocle. You're not alone. Many small business owners rely on spreadsheets and guesswork to figure out their profitability. But what if I told you that, if you're a Tide user, the tool you need is already in your pocket? We're talking about taking control of your financial data to see exactly where your money is going and, more importantly, where it's coming from. Understanding your profitability isn't just about knowing your total balance, it's about making smarter decisions, optimizing your spending, and planning for growth. And with Tide, it's simpler than you think. Let's dive into how to track business profitability in Tide. 1. Categorize everything label. The first and most critical step happens every time money moves. Categorize your transactions. Whenever a payment comes in or goes out, Tide allows you to tag it. Don't skip this. Income. Clearly tag all incoming payments as sales, project fees, or whatever reflects your revenue streams. This ensures your gross income is accurately tracked. Expenses. Be meticulous with expenses. Use categories like supplies, marketing, software subscriptions, or travel. The more granular you are, the clearer your insights will be. Pro tip: create custom categories if the standard ones don't quite fit your business model. This level of detail is gold for spotting unnecessary costs. 2. Utilize the Statements and Reports section bar chart. This is where the magic happens. Head over to the Statements or Reports section within your Tide app or web portal. This area transforms your raw data into actionable insights. Profit and Loss (P&L) report. While Tide is a banking app, it provides the foundational data for a simple P&L. By filtering your categorized income and expenses over a specific period, like a month or a quarter, you can manually calculate your basic profitability. $text, gross profit, equals \text, total income, \text, total cost of sales, $text, net profit, equals \text, gross profit, \text, operating expenses, $. Filter by date range, compare month-on-month or quarter-on-quarter performance. Seeing the trends is often more important than seeing a single month's number. Did sales spike in March? Did marketing costs balloon in Q2? This comparison helps you pinpoint the why. 3. Integrate with accounting software link. For a truly effortless and comprehensive view of your profitability, the best move is to integrate Tide with a dedicated accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreeAgent. Tide makes this seamless, automatically syncing your categorized transactions directly into your chosen platform. Once synced, the accounting software takes over, automatically generating your full profit and loss statement in real time. This report is the ultimate measure of your business's financial health, clearly displaying your net profit. This is the single clearest way to know your profitability without manual calculation. Tide isn't just a business bank account, it's a powerful data hub. By committing to categorization every day, consistently reviewing your reports, and integrating with accounting software, you move from guessing your profit to knowing it with certain.